What's it called? Justin, right? Yeah, Justin. Let's put him over here and just drop him in the Discord. Hello, what's up, man? I installed Blender. Well, that's a great start. That's a great way to start it. Hold on, I'm before we gonna do another another one. I'm gonna get me some coffee. I need me some actual coffee here. I really need me some coffee. So I'll be right back. Dude. I had to make me my coffee. Hold on, let me get back. Screen back. I'm sorry for the delay. Damn, man. I do have one thing that's freaking awesome. Oh, hold on. Let me do something here. Hold on, I'll be right back. Well, not right back. I'm just here. I'm here. Don't worry. I'm not leaving you all again. Oh well, we're here for a couple more hours, anyways. Yes. So, like I said, I think it was Friday or something. I got a really cool present from my girlfriend, wifey. Which is this awesome new mug. And at first we were like, that's a normal mug. But this mug is freaking huge. It fits like more than the other mugs I was using for coffee, so I'm able to drink a lot more coffee now. Nah, but it's an amazing month. All right, we gotta continue on, but what we're doing. I'm kind of digging this style, so we're gonna keep on making them like this, and then I'm gonna ship them over to. Well, I'm gonna figure out if Stacy's able to make the rig for it, and then copy pasteable, so I can just slap them all on there. Then I'm gonna keep on the dimensions of the 185. That's what we used for Greg. So if we go into our city map right now, I wanna test this out real quick too. Let's go into our city, actual city. Where you at? Actual city. The actual city, it's right here. Our newer version of Blender. Oh, I've gotta open it up. The actual city, open it up. Okay, cool. Now that we got this city loaded up, it's fine. Okay, we're gonna get a character. Let me go to characters. Blender, CG assets, and now we're gonna find our characters folder again, and we're gonna say Justin. Let's get Justin in here. Import. We got Justin, he's hanging out under the city there. I always knew he was underground. I'm gonna smack him right in front of a door. And as I'm looking at it, it's fitting perfectly. See, this is actually really cool. This is actually really cool, because now we have Justin here, and he's chilling, right? Yeah. I like it. This makes me happy. So we're gonna do a couple more. So then we're able to place them all over the place. Yes, okay, let's do this. Let's do this. I got a scratchy hand there. Okay, let's get rid of this one. Go back into creative. Go back into Blender 4.4 because I want to get my keys and all that. General. Let's go back. Let's see how fast we're able to create one of these now. Alright. Big fat sneeze over there. Mirror, mirror, mirror. Do, 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 do. Oh wait. That can be good. Which direction is that? That is probably fine. This is probably fine, you know. Let's get some knees in.